Here is our condensing units here at work. Here is the York TCD2B 60S31SA condensing unit that was installed last summer. It replaced a similar but larger Lennox unit, very much like that one that was installed in 1994. It had a bad compressor. So they tore it out and put in this York and replaced the original Lennox Pulse 21 furnace with a York 95% furnace. So as you all can see, it's straight cool. I don't know how well, it's not wanting to focus. I'm on. This unit unfortunately has a LG compressor, but it works fine. Whenever we had it installed, it hasn't given us any problems. A lot better than no air conditioning, which is what we had since the Lennox failed. So that's the York, and it has a broad ocean motor. I don't know why my phone is not wanting to focus at all. But so there's the York, and then here's the other Lennox, which was installed in 1994. It is still paired with a Lennox Pulse 21 furnace, which still works and everything. Unfortunately, as you could probably tell from the disconnect being turned off, this unit does not work. This unit does not work. It's also a straight cool. It's actually a HS19 413 6Y. And it is also a straight cool. These are both three-phase units, by the way. And the refrigerant piping on this unit is very oxidized. In fact, when they removed this panel, the refrigeration piping on the inside was all green. This shade of green. So it's probably no surprise that the reason this unit does not work is it has a massive leak somewhere. It won't hold a charge at all. They tried charging it up, but like I said, it wouldn't hold a charge even for a minute. So there's got to be a massive leak somewhere. But yeah, even though it is spring, it's March, I thought I'd get a photo or get a video of these units, even though they're not running. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.